Hole 10. Oh, wrong basket, John. All right, cleared that. Huh, I'm not really sure. After I... Nope. Fucking air ball. Fucking air ball. Sorry, buds. What the fuck? Fucking air ball.